The Witcher 3 Hearts of Stone introduces its intriguing antagonist Olgierd von Everick by having him insightfully critique a stone sculpture of a famous artist, only to tip it over and watch it shatter into pieces. It's a great introduction to a great character, but it also serves as a thematic jumping-off point for this excellent DLC chapter. Hearts of Stone is about taking the stoic, stone-like wall Geralt has always presented to his compatriots and to us, and bringing it crumbling down. The result is a Geralt quite unlike the one we're used to, and one of the warmest, most human story threads in all of The Witcher 3. Hearts of Stone does everything right on the gameplay side of things. Arachnomorphs, the new enemy type, are a blast to fight, and they have the mobility to keep their distance from Geralt until they can web you from afar and engage on their own terms, and if you try to disable and focus down one of them, the rest will swarm in to protect their own. This same sophistication can be seen in the bosses you'll fight during your 10 to 15 hour journey. From a giant mutated toad to the Ulfiri Sand Mage, all the new enemies introduced in Hearts of Stone put up more interesting fights than most of what was found in the Wild Hunt. Hearts of Stone opens up and populates the northeastern part of the Novigrad map with a bunch more little towns and areas to explore. It looks and feels very much like the rest of what The Witcher 3 offers, but hey, that's just more of an excellent thing. As ever, the plentiful side quests all have fun, interesting stories to tell. One of those stories is of a merchant from a distant land called Ulfiri, and through some excellent dialogue, he paints a beautiful picture of his far-off homeland. He also introduces the new Rune Word mechanic, which allows you to apply powerful, unique buffs to your gear. More than straight-line stat upgrades, these actually change or break the normal rules of combat in ways that alter how you play. I went for one that granted a huge boost to health and stamina regen once I hit max adrenaline. But the true star of Hearts of Stone is the story, which finds believable ways to put Geralt into new situations you wouldn't expect to see him in, like making a speech at a wedding or willfully working with others to plan a heist. It introduces great new characters like Von Everick, and breathes new life into the enigmatic Gaunter O'Dim and Shani, who you might remember from the first Witcher. The complex nature of the relationship between Gaunter, Olgierd, and Geralt is drawn beautifully, with nuanced performances of material that's more introspective and thematically driven than anything else.
You needn't end like Aldona and Jonas. Besotted fools bound by a contract they'll never escape. Seize the night. Seize your chance. Enjoy one another.
On its own, the story would make Hearts of Stone worth getting, but combined with the rest of the package, they make this expansion unmissable. For more on everything Witcher, stick with IGN.